Welcome to today's video, where we explore one of the most profound chapters of the Quran, Surah Luqman. This video will help you understand the core lessons of Surah Luqman in detail. Surah Luqman is the 31st chapter of the Quran, revealed in Makkah, and comprises 34 verses. Being a Makki surah, it focuses heavily on the fundamentals of faith, Tawheed, accountability, the Day of Judgment, and moral teachings. The surah is named after a wise man, Luqman, whose powerful advice to his son is quoted by Allah to inspire all of humanity. His words are more relevant than ever in today's world, where distractions and doubts are everywhere. Luqman was not a prophet but a man granted wisdom. Allah says in verse 12, "Indeed, we gave Luqman wisdom, be grateful to Allah." He was known for his deep insight, piety, and humility. His wisdom came from his gratitude to Allah. Scholars say he was a carpenter, shepherd, or tailor by profession, a simple man with immense inner richness. This reminds us that wisdom is not linked to status or education, it's a gift from Allah for those who are sincere. The heart of this surah lies in Luqman's advice to his son. Let's go through each point with reflection. 1. Avoid shirk. Luqman tells his son, do not associate partners with Allah. Indeed, shirk is a great injustice. Why? Because it denies the right of the Creator. It misplaces loyalty, hope, and fear. 2. Gratitude to parents. Allah reminds us right after Luqman's words, be grateful to me and to your parents. This shows balance, love and obedience to parents, unless they call to shirk. 3. Allah knows all. Verse 16. Even a deed the size of a mustard seed, hidden in a rock or in the skies, Allah knows it. This verse teaches accountability. Nothing is hidden from Him. 4. Establish prayer. Luqman tells his son to establish prayer, the foundation of a Muslim's life. 5. Command good, forbid evil. Actively promote righteousness. Stay involved in your community. Speak up against wrong. 6. Be patient in hardship. Life brings trials. Patience, along with prayer, is our weapon. 7. Avoid arrogance. Luqman warns, do not turn your face away from people in pride. Humility is beloved by Allah. 8. Be moderate in walking and speech. Even in how we walk and talk, we should be balanced. He says, lower your voice. Indeed, the most unpleasant of sounds is the voice of a donkey. This metaphor highlights how shouting is ungraceful. After Luqman's advice, Allah reminds us of His signs. He created the heavens without pillars. He spread out the earth. He sends rain, grows crops. He made the sea for your benefit. These are signs for those who reflect. These verses build Tawheed, understanding and recognizing the power of Allah in nature. Allah talks about people who argue without knowledge, following their own desires, and mocking divine guidance. Some mock the Quran, refusing to listen. Others follow the world blindly. Allah warns, these are the people who will suffer in the hereafter. The message is clear, follow revelation, not your own ego. Allah says the Quran is guidance and mercy for those who do good. The righteous are those who pray regularly, give charity, believe in the unseen. They will be rewarded in the hereafter. In the last verses, Allah reminds us that knowledge of 5 things lies only with Him. 1. The hour, Day of Judgment. 2. Rainfall. 3. What is in the womb. 4. What a person earns tomorrow. 5. When and where one will die. This shows our limited knowledge and Allah's complete control. Surah Luqman is a complete guide for modern life. Raise children with faith and wisdom. Stay humble and thankful. Build your connection with Allah through prayer and patience. Let's end with a short reflection. How many of us truly act on this wisdom? Luqman's advice is eternal. It is not just for his son but for all of us. If this video helped you, please like, share, and comment below. Which advice from Luqman will you apply in your life starting today? Thanks for watching.